this is a very classic case in terms of what we typically see for companies which are not very well covered. I think when you look at the options for retail shareholders, they are limited. There is a legal action, of course, and they can 100 shareholders can get together, or 10%, or shareholders holding 10% can get together and either seek an operational mismanagement case, or
it is being recorded.
But by and large, at this stage, I think from the shareholders' perspective, they can only hope that SEBI is able to bring about a change in management.
How do you want to go left, right?
What SEBI order seems to suggest is very clearly an orchestrated plan to divert money from the company into promoter control company for whatever be the reasons, including personal expenses and extravagant lifestyles. It's not a new story. And I think the fact that SEBI has come out with this interim order.
You have any common sense? Do you have any common sense? This is a wrong route, right?
It is not a wrong route.
I have recorded your number. I will complain to police. Okay? Yes, sure.
Stop them from remote control, continue the company for remote controls. But notwithstanding, at